Welcome to Photoshop Basics.
Photoshop can be used to create new images or edit existing ones. Today we will show you a couple of ways to get photos into Photoshop and a couple of different options you have to edit and enhance pre-existing images.
First things first, when in Photoshop, you want to open a photo.
The first step will be to click the Open button on the left side of your screen. After doing so, a new window will pop up. In this new panel, you will navigate to where your photo is stored. Once you have located the photo of choice, you can either single click on it and press the Open button at the bottom of the window, or double click on it. Now that I have a photo open, you can tell that when this picture was taken, the camera was tilted at an angle and our photo is crooked. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix this. First, you are going to want to either press the C button on the keyboard or navigate over to the left side of your screen and click on the Crop tool. Next, select the Straighten tool. To select the Straighten tool, you're going to go to the top of your screen and click on the icon next to where it says Straighten. Now that the Straighten tool is selected, you will want to find the horizon or a line in your photo where you want to straighten it. Once you have found it, you're going to click on one end of the line or point and drag it to the end of where you want to crop. Once you get there, you're going to stop holding your left click button down. The last step is to click on the check mark at the top of your screen. Another way to get an image into Photoshop is by going to the image file itself. To open Photoshop this way, the first step is to open File Explorer. You do this by opening the Windows menu. The Windows menu is opened by clicking on the Windows icon on the bottom left of your screen or the text box right next to it. The next step is to search for File Explorer in the text box that comes up with the Windows menu. When you see File Explorer, double click on it to open it, or click on where it says Open further right on your screen. Next, you're going to be navigating to the file location of the image you are going to be editing. Once you have arrived at the file location, right click on the photo that you want to edit. Hover over the Open With option. After the drop-down box appears, click on the option labeled Adobe Photoshop. After a little bit, Photoshop will open up along with the image you chose.
In this photo that I have open right now, you can see that there's this sign in the middle of the frame. This sign is a little distracting, and I want to remove it. There is a very simple way to do this, and I'll show you how. Select the Spot Heal Brush tool by either pressing the J key or by clicking on its icon in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You can adjust the size of the brush by pressing the plus and minus keys. When you have the appropriate brush size, you are going to click and drag over the spot you want fixed. Once you have brushed over the whole object, you want to release your mouse, and let Photoshop take care of the rest.